Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Demand for FC Goa's ISL semi-final tickets reach fever pitch. Football lovers queue at Fatorda and Campal from early morning. Many disappointed at unavailability of tickets. Recruitment Society workers suspend their hunger strike on Saturday. Anand Chet, Narendra Savoykar offer lemon juice, assure justice to workers. Keep a dog at home. Porvory residents claim PI Porvory gave this weird solution on rising thefts in area. Another resident demands night patrolling. Anjuna villagers protest against Sunburn Music Festival, claim degradation of grazing land, say garbage and sewage will destroy ecosystem. And Goa's Cycling Association plans to encourage competitive cycling. 25-kilometer cycling awareness event on 19 December in Mapsa. Now the news in detail. The demand for FC Goa's ISL semi-final tickets has reached fever pitch. Ticket counters at Fatorda and Sports Authority of Goa complex at Campal witnessed long queues on Saturday. FC Goa had informed on Friday that tickets were supposed to be sold on Saturday and Sunday. But there were thousands of people complaining about unavailability of tickets on the first day itself. FC Goa will play the crucial home leg of the semi-final at Fatorda on Wednesday evening.
After spending hours together in the queue beginning from early morning, the lucky few were delighted to lay their hands on FC Goa's semi-final tickets at Nehru Stadium.
I'm very excited that I've got the tickets for the semi-finals of the ISL match, which will be played against Atletico de Kolkata and Goa FC. I've come all the way from Aldana. I've been standing in this line since 5 o'clock in the morning, and I'm pretty excited that I've got this ticket.
However, the scenes at the Campal counter were very different. The crowd was angry at lack of tickets.
त्यांनी 200 चे तिकीट अजून बाहेर काढून ना आणि ते डायरेक्ट सेल 400 चे घालता.
I asked the person inside, in charge, what was the quota issued today. He is unaware. I asked him how many tickets were sold today. He is unaware.
And the counter people say that they sold 3 different one counter.
सगळे सपोर्ट करता फुटबॉलाक आणि आता अशें फुटोंक जायना. यू हॅव टू मेक प्रॉपर ऑर्गनायझेशन ऑफ दीस. यू हॅव टू हॅव मेनी काउंटर्स and everybody should get the tickets.
The demand for tickets at FC Goa's home games has been tremendous, and the Fatorda Stadium, trimmed to a capacity of around 18,000, seems to be too small, going by the euphoria generated by the football lovers. Some lessons for the hosts to learn here, and they should do their homework to avoid disappointing the people who queue in from wee hours of the morning and still go home without tickets. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Finally, the Recruitment Society workers withdrew their indefinite hunger strike on Saturday. Workers suspended their strike after Deputy Speaker Anand Chet and South Goa MP Narendra Savoykar offered them lemon juice. Both BJP leaders in an open address assured that government will fulfill their demands. Workers were on strike since 1st December and written assurance from the Chief Minister about fulfillment of demands was their prime demand.
Recruitment Society workers who were on indefinite strike had earlier demanded that CM should meet them personally at Azad Maidan and give a written assurance. Though this demand remains unfulfilled, Deputy Speaker Anand Sheth and South Goa MP Narendra Savoykar succeeded in ending the deadlock, which was troubling government since last 2 weeks. Workers withdrew their strike after lemon juice was offered by BJP leaders and an assurance on fulfillment of demands.
महिन्याच्या काळात आमका दिल्ले आश्वासन ते प्रत्यक्षात जोपर्यंत उतरना तोपर्यंत आम्ही आंदोलन जे आसा नी ते आमरण उपोषण जरी फाटी घेतले ते आमचे आंदोलन आम्ही स्थगित करता.
ह्युमन रिसोर्स डेव्हलपमेंट जे कॉर्पोरेशन सरकारान केला त्याच्या अंडर तेंका घेऊन त्यांचा जॉब आसा तो सेक्युर करतलो आणि परमनंट करतलो. हे अश्युरन्स आमकां माननीय सीएमान आज दिले.
सर्वीस एक्सपिरियन्स हो धरून केले वतले तरी ह्यातून थोडे बसन असले तांकांय आमी एज रिलॅक्सेशन दिला, एज्युकेशन रिलॅक्सेशन दिला. 8वी पास हे पयली हे आसली क्रायटेरिया ती 6वी पर्यंत हाडून तितूनय हे करपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. म्हाका दिसना कोण ह्या हितून भायर उरतलो अशें.
MLA Pramod Sawant had said that debate held at Prudent played a catalyst in resolving this issue.
प्रुडंटाच्या डिबेटाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान हो विशय त्यांच्या पर्यंत पावला आणि म्हाका दिसता तेंच्यांनी डिबेट थंयसर तेंच्यांनी डिस्प्ले करूनय पळयल्या त्या खातीर तांकां हो विशय तेंच्या पर्यंत पावला. ते फोन करून उलयताय बी आमकां खबर आसा स्ट्रायक सोंपोंक जाय म्हणून.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Residents of Porvorim allege that Porvorim police has refused to register FIR of housebreaking thefts in their areas. Residents also allege that they have requested to provide night patrolling in their areas, but police is not doing anything. A local narrated an incident where police advised her to own a dog to counter thieves.
I called the police 100 and Vilas Darbarkar came with another 2 constable, but he didn't want to take any action because he said if you make a complaint and register, you'll have to go to the court. You have to visit the court, and through the court maybe you'll get the thing. But you write and give us what is stolen, and we'll see what is stolen.
Investigating officers tried to restrain her from lodging a FIR showing fear of courts. But Antonida decided to meet PI of Porvorim. But she claims that PI Porvorim gave a bizarre suggestion to keep her dog at home.
Then in the evening, same evening, I went to the police station and I saw Brandon D'Souza, and then he told me keep a dog.
It's not that Antonio Jasmine Carvalho is a single victim of such an attitude in that area.
ह्या म्हयन्यान 6-7 चोरयो जाल्यो. अजून तांचेर कांय एक्शन घेवंक ना. लोकांच्या मनात भय निर्माण जाला. सरकारा कडेन मागता की तांच्यांनी पोलीस पेट्रोलिंग करता तें वाडोवचें म्हणून.
Prudent questioned SDPO Porvorim Nelson Albuquerque about the alleged ignorance of Porvorim police in said case. Nelson Albuquerque told Prudent that, and I quote, "I have checked up with the PI Porvorim. The victim lady has not given any written complaint. If the victim lady has any grievance, she can talk to me directly." Unquote. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.